How's it going, everybody? Now, if you guys watched my previous video where I'm starting to build a studio on the farm, you guys would see that there's, again, still nothing there. And now I kind of need to start moving stuff over to the new studio. And that is where this video comes in, where I'm just going to take a bunch of the stuff over to the farm, try to set up the set a bit there to see how everything is going to fit in, because again, kind of need to know what I'm going to take with, what I'm going to leave here. If I want to still make videos over here this side, I don't want to keep moving everything back and forth because that's just going to be a hassle. So yeah, I just want to see how everything fits in. So I do have the entire table here that I need to take with, all of my cables, all of my camera gear. If you guys also saw in the previous video, I had like the entire cross bar here at the top, all of my lights and everything. So all of that needs to go, and all of the monitors as well. So monitors. So it's gonna be quite a mission to get everything there and to set everything up, but hopefully everything works out and hopefully I'm in focus. Now also, I'm going to still leave the main system here. I'm not sure if I'm really gonna take that with me ever. Still have to see, because I don't want to leave a lot of the valuable stuff on the farm again, because it is on the farm in here in South Africa. There are a lot of break-ins. Luckily it hasn't happened recently, but it has happened before. So yeah, I don't want to leave a couple of 100,000 rand or thousands of dollars of equipment there to be stolen yet. I'm gonna get insurance later, but for now I don't have that. So rather be safe than sorry. So pretty much I need to take this my clothes bag, the desk, which is quite heavy. It's the electronic sit stand desk, which I love. This thing is awesome, but it's quite heavy and I don't have a large car to move everything around, so hopefully everything will fit in. I'm also going to take these bookshelves with me, see if they fit in as well. That one there as well. I'm still thinking of maybe taking the desk and then like bolting a different desk here, but again, I'll see once everything is in there. Got my lights, got my camera bag over there, got a bunch of just cables and random stuff inside there that I'm gonna take with, and then all of my light stands. Not that many, but yeah, I do have some that I need to take with. So let's quickly try to get everything in my car. Because again, I don't have that large of a car. It's like a normal Toyota hatchback. So we'll see if the table fits in and everything else. It's gonna be quite a mission. So let's get into that. Alright, so everything is packed and I'm actually almost at the farm. I didn't do necessarily the best job at packing, but mostly everything is in. You guys can see the table, and here's a bump. The table is in. It just fitted, just. I had to actually take off one of partially the leg to fit it in. But yeah, it's in, and we are almost there. But first, I'm gonna stop at the house, at the farm, and then I'm gonna eat because I'm so hungry right now. And then I'll unpack everything, because that's gonna take a while. Alright, so I am currently at the gate where I need to go into the farm, but unfortunately my keys are inside here and the entire table is on top of this, so I can't lift it up. The table is too heavy and I don't have the strength to lift up the table and then also lift up this. There's just no space at all behind to move it around. So unfortunately I had to call my parents just to come open the gate for me and then drive back. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, we are here, and I have to say, like, the farm looks so good now. If you guys remember a while back, it like actually burnt down, and now it's all green. It looks so good. Everywhere it's just like luscious grass. Hopefully that's the right word, luscious. But yeah, it looks really nice. But now it's just a waiting game for my parents to come over and open up the gate, so maybe just listen to some music while I'm at it. Maybe put on a podcast or something, MKBHD's waveform, listen to that for a bit, and then just wait.
2 very boring minutes later.
Alright, we are here, and I'm just waiting for the dogs to arrive. Open up the gate. Let's see if they'll hear me at there. Yeah, here they come. Can't focus. Never mind, there we go. Hello. 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 Hello, hello. Whoa, resta. Ow. Ow, that hurts. Ow. Okay. Hello. 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 Monsters. 4 giant monsters. Alright, so I unfortunately got some bad news for you guys. Now, it's not entirely bad, it's just a bit bad. Unfortunately, I couldn't move into the studio yet. There's some stuff that's happened that we needed to take care of, and that is mostly to do with the paint. So if you guys can look up there, the paint actually cracked around the area there, and then focus, there we go. So it actually cracked in between where the two drywalling units come together, and we originally plastered over that with a polyfiller patty, but it just, for some reason, split in the middle, and that caused some issues. So we're trying to fix that. Hopefully we can get that fixed. But in the meantime, I actually took out the bed and pretty much everything else that was here to make it look a bit cleaner so that I can be ready for tomorrow. Because tomorrow we're actually going to get into bringing everything in and then steadily setting up everything. Now, I am still on Monday, which is the day after tomorrow. We are going to go also into the shops to get some of the carpets. We're gonna order carpets. They'll hopefully come up, put that in maybe later next week or the week after that. So they'll do the stuff. So that'll take a bit more time, but we're also going to look for a couch and just some other odds and ends that I hope will make the set or the studio look a lot better. I honestly want a nice couch that I can just sit and do some nice couch shots, or maybe just like a nice talk with you guys. I think just like a couch will work great for that. But I do honestly love how that turned out. It does look a lot brighter on a camera. I think this is gonna make it too dark. Yeah, that's way too dark. But just think it's maybe twice as dark as what it actually looks on the camera. So it actually looks really good. Same goes with all of the white walls. Actually, the roof, yeah, we still need to paint that. We're unfortunately out of white paint, so that will come later as well. But I did like just set up a small little work area there for the day. Didn't really do much after that, but yeah, I'll maybe later on move everything around and just set everything up later again. I'm actually thinking of building like an entire desk that'll fit inside there, which I think will look cool. And then later we're just going to clean that up, because that's still a full day on its own just to move everything away, because we also kind of need to find another place to put everything, and there's not really that much space left. This was the storage room, so yeah, that's still the mattress there that we need to take away, but that'll happen tomorrow. We're pretty much just done for the day, and then yeah, tomorrow everything else is going to happen, and hopefully I can start working on some other videos by then, because I really want to start making some videos in the studio. I'm so pumped for that. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. Time for bed, and then I'll check you guys tomorrow. So yeah, night. Alright, so it's the next day, and we did start to paint over that section, plaster it a bit again, paint it over it. I think it does need one more layer for it to be perfect. We'll see, and hopefully it doesn't crack again. But in the meantime, while we're waiting for it to dry, we're quickly gonna try to clean out the storage area here. So as you guys can see, there's still a ton of stuff here that just needs to go somewhere. Luckily, we do have some storage space outside. We'll try to fit everything there. Not sure if everything will fit, but yeah, we'll move some of the stuff there, and then we can have a storage area for some of the stuff. So let's quickly jump into that for now. So we are finally done with all of the painting work, all of that. As you guys can see, we cleaned up a bit as well. We still need to put in the carpets and so on, but for now it is clean. We painted up there as well, so that's all good. We do have this all cleaned up as well. We still kind of need to put in a light there, but yeah, I got some tables that I can store stuff in, so that's kind of the start probably. But we are set to go to bring in my table, which I brought along, and then pretty much just everything else. Now, of course, everything won't be set up completely today. Tomorrow morning we are actually gonna go into the city again because we are on the farm. And then we're gonna go look for, we're gonna order the carpets firstly, my hairs. Order the carpets, we're gonna get a couch, we're gonna get just some other stuff as well, and then also bring more stuff from the house so that we can add some more stuff here. So let's start bringing up some of the stuff and then see how it turns out. Let's go. I'm so tired right now. It's been the entire day. I'm so tired. But anyway, yeah, let's do this. There we go. What's up everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech. Yeah, that's usually how I start the intros. But anyway, so yeah, this is kind of one of the new sets for the new studio with like lights and lights. I just pretty much moved most of the stuff in now. There's still a lot of stuff to do, so let me quickly just show you guys. So in the end, I didn't really bring that much stuff along. I thought I actually brought quite a bit, but this is kind of it. Right, in there is still a lot of stuff. Well, kind of a lot. But this is most of the things that I brought along. The desk is the thing that, of course, took up most of the space. But that is kind of how one of the sets is going to look. So we do have our lights and our lights like shining against the dark background, which I think looks so good. Once I have like a better lens on this and everything is set up, it's going to look amazing, and I can't wait to test that out. But yeah, also the electronic sit standard desk, I'm going to use that, can go up and down. I'm going to have my multiple camera setups everywhere. So I'm looking forward to setting everything up and seeing what it looks like, but that is going to come out a bit later. Now I do still have just my lights and everything set up. Still this setup over here, it's going to change completely there. I'm probably going to build like a custom desk for that. Still like a lot of ideas that I'm thinking of how I'm going to build the desk, what I'm going to do, maybe get like electronic sit stand desk again for this side, build it inside like my setup that I currently have at my house with the boxes and all of that, maybe build it inside that. I think that'll probably look really cool, but I'll still see. Now inside here we still need a light, but this is how it currently looks like. Now this is I'm just going to use like the mattress to help dampen up the sound a bit because it is currently a bit echoey. It's not that bad in here, but in here it is quite bad. So yeah, but once a rug is actually installed, it's going to help out with the echo so much more because it's gonna be quite a thick one, or we're gonna have like layers underneath it, and that's gonna help dampen out the sound quite a bit, and then also help reduce that because it squeaks. The wood actually scratches against each other and it squeaks quite bad and it's loud. So that it's gonna help fix that. And yeah, holy damn. Wow. Holy damn, that is a big moth. It's like larger than my thumb, just too far away. That's quite large. But anyway, we'll forget about that for now. Hopefully it doesn't fly into my face. That'll quite be horrible. But anyway, so we're gonna rug shopping tomorrow, and then also we're gonna get the couch. And the couch for now will probably come here, and that's gonna look quite nice as well. Now I am also, haven't shown this area yet, but it looks like I'm also going to be able to get, you can't see anything. Let's see if we can put on the light. So this is also maybe gonna become like my area that I can use. So this is everything on the second story. Still need to put up the railing as well. I think it's really dark. But yeah, so this will probably become like my like lounge TV room almost. I want to maybe make like a TV room as well. If I do like TV reviews or stuff like that, I can do it maybe on that side, because again, it's larger, this space, but it's not that much larger necessarily. But so far I'm digging it. I do love the background, it looks awesome. And then also I do have the white, and I'm gonna have my small little corner there for my setup. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow it's rug shopping, couch shopping, and just some other odds and ends, and also bring back some stuff as well for from the old studio. So yeah, I'm still gonna see if I'm gonna fit that into this episode as well, or I'm gonna just do another episode for that, but we shall see. But if I don't, then I do hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will check all of you guys next time. Cheers, guys. Alright, now let's try to get this. It squeaks. Oh. Gotcha! Gotcha!